हाँ जी बच्चे, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट थर्ड illustration, sales book. In my previous video we have studied purchase book. Now we will study sales book. The format is 90% similar. First column will be of date. Then instead of writing name of supplier, we will write name of customers. Invoice number, ledger folio, details same. Then in place of purchase we will write sale. In place of input we will write output CGST, output SGST, output input IGST, then total. In place of input we will write output in 3 columns, and in place of purchase we will write sale. In place of supplier we will write customer. Rest 100% things are same. Have a look on illustration number 3. Prepare a sales book from the following transactions of Navketan Furniture House. Now you are dealing in furniture items. If you are purchasing, if you are selling furniture, that will be counted your goods. Your sale, it will be counted. Rest other things will not be counted in sales. Of Ludhiana, Punjab. So this is also very important. Assuming CGST, SGST 66%. 2018. Write first of all the year. Then Y1. Month we will also write once. Sold goods to 5-star furniture company. We have sold goods to 5-star furniture company. Name of the customer is 5-star furniture company, Patiala, Punjab. Same state, Patiala, Punjab. Same state, so CGST, SGST will be leaved. On credit, 150 chairs at the rate rupees 1800 each. You have to multiply 15 into 1800. It will be 27, 2,70,000. Then second thing is 36 tables at the rate rupees 5,000 each. It will be 1,80,000. Now we have to do the total like similar, 4,50,000. Now they have allowed us trade discount 20%. No, trade discount they have allowed 20%. We will deduct that trade discount 20%. 20% of 4,50,000 will be 90,000. Now the selling price comes 3,60,000. Two things will be added back, CGST and SGST. 6% of 3,60,000. 6% of 360 will be 21,600. 21,600. Now the total sale price becomes 4,32,000. Now we have to bifurcate these total 403200. In IGST not there, CGST, SGST and the sale price. Rest everything is similar बच्चे, only one thing was different, the formatting was different. Instead of purchase you will now record sales. On 15th May, sold goods to Vishal Furniture House. Vishal Furniture House. Since there is no invoice number given in this question, so we will not write it. 10 almiras at the rate rupees 11,000 each. It will be of 1,10,000. Then 5 sofa set at the rate rupees 18,000 each. It will be costing 90,000. Total becomes 2 lakh. They have allowed trade discount less. Trade discount 15%. 15% of 2 lakh will be 30,000. 170 will be the selling price. Now we have to add 6% CGST and 6% SGST. 170, 6% of 170 will be 10,200. 10,200. Total becomes 190,400. sorry. So this was 15th. Now on 20th, sold goods to Prakash Furniture House. 20th, Prakash Furniture House. We have sold them 100 chairs of rupees 2000 each. 100 chairs of 2000 each, it will be 2 lakh. Now we have to deduct the trade discount. 5% trade discount is allowed. 10,000. Cost becomes 190. Now this furniture house is in New Delhi. Where it is? New Delhi. You are from Punjab and you are dealing, if you are dealing with a person outside your state, then IGST will be charged. Add IGST and both will be added up. 12% IGST. 12% of 1,90,000 will be 22,800. The total becomes 2,12,800. Now next item, on 25th, sold to Moonlight Furniture Company for cash. It will not be recorded at all. Cash transactions are not recorded. Then on 28th, sold on credit to Sunil Machinery Store. Old machine and old computer you have sold. That will not be recorded because you are a furniture merchant and all furniture related items you have to record. Rest you will not record at all. So machinery and computer you will not record. Only this much was the question. Now you just have to do the total of sale column, CGST, SGST, IGST and total. Only 3 things. You have to bifurcate this also. Total was 2,12,800. IGST first time was 22,800. No CGST, SGST, there was cost 190. You just have to do the total of these 3. Nothing more than that. This is just like the purchase books. Purchase book and sale book are similar. So similar is the third one. Next question, fourth one. Sold goods to you are record the following transactions in the sales book of Ganesh Electronics Kolkata. You are an electronics merchant from Kolkata, West Bengal. Assuming CGST, SGST 99%. Sold goods to Ruchika Electronic Kolkata. It will be recorded like this. Then sold goods to Garima Electronics Bihar. Now you have to charge 9 plus 9 18% IGST on Garima. Then sold goods to Raghav Vida cash memo. It will not be recorded at all. Cash transactions are not recorded. Sold to Nitin Trading Company Ranchi Jharkhand music systems and 15,000. This and color TV. So these 3 items you have to record. Rest you will not record. Cash transactions, they are just similar. 2 questions for purchase book you have done yesterday and 2 questions of sale book you have to do today. They are just similar, just the differences in the formatting. In place of name of customer, supplier, you have to write name of customers. Then in place of purchase you will write sale. Then in place of inputs you will write outputs. Rest all the things are similar. Likewise you have to multiply whatever you have purchased, then trade discount will be deducted and taxes will be added. If same state you are dealing, 2 taxes will be levied on, CGST, SGST 66%, and if you are dealing with another state, then 6 plus 6 12% IGST will be levied on. Solve 2 questions of sales book. Thank you.